everyone, my name is Aparna Pasya, and this week's tech tip is about how to select multiple wall types that may have the same templates assigned to them. So sometimes when we're using the template map method or even multi-layer settings, I'll just show you how I have mine set up. We may have the exact same structural template applied to multiple different walls. So in this case, I have a generic 6-inch wall that has the WT1 template assigned. And then I have the same 6-inch wall with plywood that has the template assigned. And then I have another one with another, layout or another layer of plywood, or I have multiple layers of plywood, but I have the same structural layer template assigned, right? So how do I select all these different wall types in one go so that if this template changes and I want to select them, I have a really quick and easy way to select them in one shot and quickly regenerate all of those templates or wall types actually. So here I have a template that that has that 6-inch template assigned to it, but we modified it with this little horizontal in here. So now I'm going to save this over top of that existing template. So I'm going to update that template here, the WT1 template, and I'll hit update and I'll say, yes, I want to override it. And I'll say set as active and I'll hit OK and I'll wait for that wall to regenerate and it looks good the way it is, right? But now I want to find all those 6-inch walls that have that exact same template assigned to them. How am I going to do that, right? So there's a quick and easy trick to do this. So what I have done is I basically selected a wall or every wall type that has the same template assigned to it. What I did was I select the wall and then over here in edit type, within type comments, I typed in WT1, all right? So once I type this in for all the wall types that are using the exact same template, now I have access to them in a schedule. So I can go to wall schedule here. I can schedule the data. So for all of these 6-inch wall types, I know the structural layer is the same and it's going to have the WT1 template assigned to it. So I'll have the type comments for all these walls WT1. And you can definitely do this or type in the type comments within the schedule. Feel free to, or you could do it the edit type method as well. And then for my 8-inch walls here, I have WT2 template assigned to it. And then for my exterior, I have an exterior template. And for the storefront, we have some curtain walls. That shows up in the list too. And I gave it a type comment as well for that. But these are still separated. How do I make sure that I select all of these walls in one go? So we are going to go to sorting and grouping. We're going to ensure that we only sort by type comments and not have any other criteria in here. So we'll select none. And we'll also make sure that the itemize every instance is unchecked. If it is checked on, you will see the count as 1 for each instance. If it is unchecked, you will see in total how many of that type exist in the model, right? So I'll set it up this way, I'll hit OK, and now you can see that all the comments, all the type comments are visible. And for WT1, the type is empty because that value varies. So you can see there's a total of 26 walls. I'll click on that. I'll highlight in model. And now I've selected all the wall types, and you can see that I have 26 wall types selected here. And I can just go to MWF, go to operations, and regenerate all these wall types. You can use a similar method for your template mapping. And when you hit the regenerate, it will, when you have locked your panel to the template, if you hit regenerate within single layer, it will regenerate all of your panels. This may take a little bit of time, but you have selected all of them and you've made sure that your updated template is going to be applied to them. So I'm just quickly going to hit regenerate here. And I will make sure that I regenerate everything. I don't really need to do sheathing and secondary. I'll just do structural layer. And I'll hit OK. So you can see that all the walls that we had selected here now have been regenerated and have that horizontal member in the middle. So that's it for this week's tech tip. Have a great day.